Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm really excited for today's video because we're doing something we haven't done in a while, which is a drawing tutorial. Yes, I'm bringing them back now because summer's almost over, and I'm like, well, I really want to get my summer tutorials and everything up and uploaded for you guys, and this is one of them. So this is the 4th of July girl, as you see here. Yes, it is not sped up because it'll be good for a longer video for you guys. I just want to talk you through it. You see me here, I'm setting up my layers for success, and I am duplicating the line art. You see my references are hidden, you don't see my references at all, but I am using references for this, and I want to say that it's very important to use photos and references, but combine them or to make them your own. So I want to start with the eyes here, and I'm starting with the eyes. I'm using a hard airbrush, and yeah. So how I came up with this, I was like, well, I kind of want to like draw 4th of July and draw a cute girl as I like do for holidays. Um, but this is one of the drawings, and I normally for my drawing tutorials I would have examples for you guys, and I would show the examples and hop on over to my iPad as you see here. But I'm like, I wanted it laid back. I wanted it to be like, hey, here's a video or something real quick, and wanted to do that. So this is the 4th of July girl here, and I'm really excited. I am doing skin tone for her. And you see later on, I had chosen red hair for her because it is the 4th of July. So I wanted to cover that. So I'm really, of course, the colors are red, white, and blue if you're from the States. Now, I will mention some facts about the American flag here. I know there's 50 stars representing each state, but I want to keep it simplified for you guys so you can follow along and everything. I know there's 13 stripes, but I wanted to also keep it simplified, so don't come at me in the comments and being like, oh, flag's not correct. Guys, I don't have time to draw 50 stars, so bear with me because I want to keep it simplified for you guys for that. But I guess I could have duplicated the layer and everything and be fine with that. But you can't do that if you want to. But I'm just saying you can duplicate the layer and then go ahead and draw. But so I want to throw in some flag facts for you. So yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying a safe holiday. We are. We're staying inside. We were going to do a kind of not really cookout kind of thing, but like neighborhood cookout or something, but that got postponed, so we're doing it tomorrow, I think. There were some neighbors doing fireworks last night, some were doing fireworks this morning, so if you guys hear that in the background, so sorry, but I'm filming this earlier in the day, so maybe you don't hear any fireworks in the background. We're fine, we're safe, we're staying inside, and I hope you guys have a safe holiday. You can see me coloring the hat there with red and blue, and I thought this worked out perfectly because the hair is red, and I didn't want the contrast to be too close together, if you know what I mean. Um, so it won't stand out, but I'm very excited how this is coming. But I wanted to talk about real quick. Normally, when I do Procreate drawings, I would shade and do all that, but I wanted this to be quick for you guys so you can easily follow along and be simple and easy. And yeah, so I'm really happy how I came up with this little girl, and so excited as well. How my style is developing a little bit to cuteness, and I can go from one style another, realistic to cute, however I want to, depending on the day I'm feeling. So yeah, for tips on how you can come up with your own characters or something around the holidays, you can always come up with a theme of the holiday, like a Christmas girl, a um, Halloween girl, witch, or whatever. It can always depend on the holiday you're drawing. If you want me to do different countries or something like that, let me know. I think that'll be really interesting to do, and that'll be really fun. Um, Obviously, I was having so much fun with this that it was just so kind of fun, I guess. I missed my cartoon drawings. Lately, I've been doing a lot of ink work, and been missing something like a guilty pleasure, or I don't know. It was just a lot of fun. It felt good to go back to my cartoon roots and see what I can come up with for the 4th of July. If you guys have any questions, let me mention the program I am working on, which is Procreate and the Apple Pencil and iPad Pro. I just wanted to mention that, but um, I basically had, I keep saying this, but I had a lot of fun. And yes, right here you see me not color in the shirt. I added the collar so it could be white, and I thought that was perfect. And it's just laid back, and I know you guys are probably thinking, you've already coloring the body, why aren't you coloring the rest? Well, I had it zoomed in a little bit, so there is the shoes. So, um, anyways, if you have any questions, like I was just saying, let me know. And towards the end of the video, I had the blushies, and for that, I had used Gaussian Blur, and I chose red cheeks, and I thought that was too perfect. So, at first I was going to go for the pink, but I'm like, she's the 4th of July, she needs red cheeks, and I could have done fireworks on her face, but I didn't want to be like, that's too much type deal. So I did fireworks in the background with her, so I thought she turned out pretty cute. I'm actually kind of proud of it looking back and watching this and how I came up with this and everything. I could have had sparkler in her right hand, but I decided that would be a little too much detail for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless, and I had so much fun making this. It felt great getting back to cartoons again after so long of doing ink work, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or anything like that, I hope you guys stay safe for the 4th of July. I want to go ahead and put music on the rest of this, so you won't hear me talking, but I just want to explain the process. So yeah, I will leave you guys here. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys.